Hey guys, Mod 120, Week 3. Today I'm going to go over some Chapter 12 exercises. Yesterday I finished up doing the Survey Monkey questions. I did 1 through 5 the previous day, and then yesterday I did 6 through 10. So please finish up your Survey Monkey questions if you haven't done it already. Have those done by end of day tomorrow, because I have to have grades. I have to do grades on Friday. So, and also do your term words. Make sure you do your term words. And also when you do your term words and you send them to me, do me a favor. On each page, make sure you put your name, whether it's an attachment or a photo. Even though I know who you are, please do this because when I print it up, I need to have your name on it. Put your name, the date, and the module. Okay? Name, date, module. Do this on each page. So if you have 3 pages, make sure your name and the date and the module is on top of each page. You do that favor for me? Okay? If you don't know how to do headers, you can put it in a header. I could show you real quick, or I could demonstrate it for you and put a video up to show you how to do that. It's real simple. Okay? Name, date, and module, each page. So make sure you send your term words to me. All right. So today I'm going to go over Chapter 12, a couple exercises. All right. First one I'm going to do is 12-1 and 12-2 from your math book. All right. This is in Chapter 12. So 12-1 asks about an iPad, markup. Now markup is the amount that you're going to increase. So here's where a lot of people are getting confused. Let's say I have something that I bought and I paid $100 for. If I'm going to mark it up 200%, that's the amount I'm going to increase it. So let's say I have something I paid $100 for. If I'm going to sell it at 100% of what I paid for, that would be $100. But if I mark it up $100, what that means is I'm going to add another $100. So a markup of $100 is taking that first 100 and then adding another 100. Okay? So if I'm going to mark it up 200%, what am I going to do? I'm going to take that $100 and I'm going to add 2 more $100. So I would be selling it for $300. Okay, do you understand that? So if I'm selling it at a markup of 200%, I'm taking that at this price that I bought it at, and marking it up 100 and another 100%, which would make it $300. So that's what I want to make sure that you understand, that it's not just adding 100%. It's not just making not 100% of that amount. So for instance, $200 I paid for. I want to mark it up 100%. Okay. So 100% of 200 is what? 200, right? So if I'm going to mark it up 200%, 100%, this should end up being what? 400. Because I'm taking another 100% of 200 and adding it. Okay? All right. So I just want to make sure we're clarified. That's clarified. All right. So let's look at 12-1. It's an iPad. So iPad, like this. This is an old one. This is one of the first ones that came out. Solid. Okay. Anyway, sorry. The cost is $600. Okay? The markup is going to be 15%. Okay? What it wants to know is what amount is going to be marked up and then what the selling price will be. So how do we calculate this? Well, we need to find out what is 15% of $600. So there we go with our formula. $600. Actually, I should say equals. Okay. And we know the score. Cross multiply. So 600 times 15. And then divide by 100. So 90 is the amount that we're going to mark it up. So the markup is $90. Okay? So therefore, what would the selling price be? Well, the selling price would be the cost, right, plus what we're marking it up. So $690. Okay? So the cost is $600. We marked it up 15%. The markup amount is $90. And so therefore, we're going to charge $690. Okay. So that was item 12-1. Item 12-2 is the Burberry men's watch. Okay. The cost is $425. Okay. The markup is 200%. All right. So we need to find out what is 200% of 425. Okay. So what is 200% of 425? So 425 Now, this is going to be unusual. You're going to end up with a fraction that this number is going to be larger than this number. Okay? So, because 200% is more than the 100%, right? All right, so 425 times 200 and divide by 100. So, this is 850. All right. Just leave the 850 there. I'm not adding cents right now. Okay, so the markup is going to be what? $850. So therefore, what is the selling price going to be? How are you going to figure out the selling price? You're going to add the cost plus the markup. Okay? So 425 plus 850 equals 1275. 1,275. Okay? So that's how to do 12-1 and 12-2. All right, so we're going to come back in a few minutes and we're going to do another one.